Hey, it's Hussein here. Welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve the first layer of Rubik's Cube. I will take it nice and slow as I can. Okay, we're gonna use the white side for this. First, find a white centerpiece, then hold it on the top. We're gonna make a white plus sign in the top now. We're gonna look for a white edge piece, not white corner pieces now. We ignore all the white corner piece. So first we're gonna take a look around middle layer of the cube for any white edge piece. Because it's easy, put it on the top. So here you can see, we have this white here. All I need to do is rotate it up. Now you can see it's on the top where we want to be. Next we're gonna look for another white pieces in second layer. Where is it? It's right here in my right hand. For this we turn top to the left to make space and rotate it up. And another white in my left hand in second layer. We turn top to the left again to make space for this one and rotate it up. I have another white in second layer too, but sometimes it can be on the bottom side. For now do the same tricks again to put it on the top, but sometimes it can be on the bottom side or bottom. Sometimes it can be on the top. See if it is in the bottom, we look for some empty spot for white space. For white piece on the top and rotate it 2 times. Now you see we created a plus sign in top layer. Then matching the color of the middle piece of first layer with second layer. For this, rotate it down right hand 2 times. Then find the same color of green. Then rotate it on the top back. Then we got another white edge piece in the bottom. And match orange color again. And match orange color again. Rotate it on the top. Remember, every time you rotated white edge on the top, you got another one in the bottom. Then match the red color. Rotate it on the top back. Now you can see 4 white edge pieces on the top layer and edge piece of every side color match too. The final step to complete the first layer to get in the white corners in the position. The white corner piece can be in 4 different positions. They can be on the top side, they can be on the top side layer, on the top corner layers, or the bottom corner white piece, or bottom facing, but the edge place to be in bottom layer side. We put these white pieces on the top by looking for right corner. See here, orange match with orange and blue match with blue and white on the top. It means it's on the right spot. Then bottom left, rotate it down right hand. Bottom right, rotate it up right hand and it's on the right corner. Both side color match. Look around white corner piece. See this side not matching, but here is matching red with red, blue with blue. To put white on the top, this tricks. Bottom right, left back, bottom left, left, rotate it up. See side corner color match too. Then another white corner. It's in the bottom right hand. It's in the right spot too, color match. Bottom left, right hand rotate it down. Bottom right, right hand rotate it up. Look for last white corner. Where is it? Where are you? It is in the bottom. We rotated this under empty top corner. Then put this side bottom by this tricks. Right hand rotate it down. Bottom left. It's here now. Bottom left again. Then rotate it up right hand. The color is matched here again. Bottom right, rotate down left hand, bottom left, left hand up. Okay guys, as you see, we solved it first layer as well. I hope you learned something in this video. If you do, make sure to subscribe for videos how to solve second and third layer. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.